Getting Mr. Beast type pop-ups in your videos isn't difficult, okay? I'm going to show you how to do it because I know what you're like. You want to be like Mr. Beast, so do I. So let's do it, okay? So we have our blank screen. The first thing you're going to do is make a little text box, okay? And you're going to type whatever you want to type, okay? If you're doing it for subtitles, just match one word up at the same time you're saying it, okay? You're smart, I trust you, I know you can do that. Just so for this, I'm just going to write hello, okay? Then once you've got hello, or whatever you wanted to type, you want to head up into window and you want to press essential graphics. Okay, that's going to have this little pop-up screen and we'll go from the top down. Okay, so in align and transform, you want to press the ones which are going to center your text. Okay, and then under in the text bracket, the font that he uses is Comica Axis. Okay, that's not in Premiere Pro, but I'm going to link the download in the description of this video. Then you're going to want to center the actual text in the text box as well. So press these ones to center that. And that's all you need for essential graphics, okay? So you can close that panel now. Then head up into Effect Controls on your actual text, okay? That's on your timeline. The first thing you're going to do, head to the very beginning, okay? And change that scale to 0, okay? Trust me on this. Then press that little stopwatch. First keyframe added. You're going to move forward 1 frame and you're going to change that scale to 120. Okay, and make sure you click off it as well because that's going to make that second keyframe. 1 more frame and you're going to change that scale to 90. Okay, click off it again. 1 more frame and you're going to change that scale to 100. Click off it again. That is how you get the Mr. Beast pop-up effect, okay? I'll show you how it looks. Just like that, okay? That's how you get the Mr. Beast pop-up. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.